Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, giveaways, everything beauty related, and including spoilers for our subscription boxes. And that's what we've got going on for you today, is we are spoiling a couple items. So what we're going to be talking about today is the Allure Beauty Box Limited Edition Glam Eyes Kit, which is available now, and it's all full-size products. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. And for all my return subscribers, you guys know that I love you. You know that I love spoiling you guys. So every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of May. It is the Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette. I love how fun and vibrant this palette is. So this is mine, and we have a brand new one that we are giving away to one of you. If you look under current giveaways in the description box down below, there's a video link that will take you to this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Some of them are ending pretty quick, so make sure that you check those out if you haven't already. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety and be subscribed. As far as what I have on my eyes today, I decided to do something kind of neutral for today. I reached for the Natasha Denona Coral palette. We are giving this one away. I've got a brand new one for you, and that will be our June eyeshadow palette giveaway. So this one's not live yet. It'll be upcoming. So the Allure Glam Eyes Kit is available to Allure members only. If you are interested in becoming a member with Allure, it's $23 a month. So this eye set, and this is just like a one-off limited edition. It is a $25 cost with a $125 value. So let's get into the items that will be available in this limited edition box. The Ciate London Trend Edit Palette. It is a vegan eyeshadow palette retailing for $24. Create sculpted matte and sparkly shimmer eyes with this versatile warm toned palette. The highly pigmented shadows create both classic and playful day to night looks. Featuring a large mirror, this compact palette fits easily into your handbag for on the go enhancements. Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It does retail for $24. It is an instantly glossy black mascara that volumizes, lengthens, and curls. Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara takes lashes to new heights while strengthening and conditioning with proprietary blend. The long-lasting formula is complete with innovative brush and curls and separates for fuller looking lashes. The hook-like brush has staggered bristles for allowing angling to grab every lash for maximum drama. The uniquely shaped dome tip delivers precise bristles that grab even the tiniest lashes to lift and curl. Trellis and peach leaf extract condition and moisturize with a clump-free, flake-free, smudge-proof finish that won't dry out. Lashes are left full of gorgeous, hydrated, and flirty. The Brow Gals Tinted Brow Gel, full size, does retail for $22. Brows are as unique as you are, and there are never two exactly alike, even on the same face. They believe in creating a custom look for each person, not to follow the masses with a cookie-cutter brow shape. This is no such thing as a universal color. An arch is not always right for everyone. This is the honesty that they share with each of you as you strive for the perfect brows. Huda Beauty Samantha Lashes. They do retail for $20, and it is a set of durable faux lashes for all eye styles with unique shapes that accentuate makeup and can be worn up to 15 times. Accessorize every makeup look with these gorgeous lashes. Huda Beauty Classics False Lashes are a cult favorite and come in an array of sophisticated designs from Giselle to Lana. Made of synthetic mellow fibers, these high-quality lashes are very durable and do not need mascara. So I definitely think that you are getting your money's worth out of this. Let me know if this is something that you are thinking about picking up. I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. Let me know which of these items in here were your favorite. I love chatting back and forth with you. I do have an Instagram account if you'd like to go follow me over there. It is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and then the letter B. And then I also have a Twitter account, which is that same Beauty Ama B, followed by the number 1. If you haven't joined us, I invite you to join us, be subscribed. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark that to all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are all the time here. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye!